What's up guys, it's me Jack, and today we are back in Teardown. So today we are at the Villa Gordan. So today we are going to just randomly destroy stuff, just mess around like we always do in Teardown. Obviously just do normal activities. So the Villa Gordan is basically like the mansion of the entire sort of game. It's like the mansion, like it's for a character or like a sort of figure that was in the campaign. So if you play the campaign, which I don't really do campaign, I do mostly just sandbox, but if you do play this is the main Gordon's mansion. So this is like the big mansion that you end up stealing your cars, etc. I'm pretty sure that's one of the missions of this mansion, but obviously I don't really play like campaign. So yeah, I'm going to just randomly mess around and see how much destruction I can do, and I'll obviously just be absolutely nonsensical because this is not meant to be like proper, I don't even know, literal. Okay, where is this statue anyway? Oh, I'm using my jetpack. My physics gonna work better. Boom. Destroy the light. Oh, I missed. I can hear the way I'm whacking the sledgehammer. My goal is to find some lights and destroy them all. So I'm going to make this place dark. I'm actually going to turn this to sort of nighttime so it's clearer like where the lights are. And we'll be seeing nothing but just darkness. We'll just be seeing nothing but just darkness. There we go. Boom. Gate is broken, so you can't do that race. It actually is a function of this entire thing. It's a function of this map, that race tracks. So yeah, I just broke the function. There's apparently actually a path. I can obviously use that environments mod. So basically you can set it to a certain time. So you could set it to this kind of darkness. We obviously can't really see any stars, etc. But we'll be able to see a lot of darkness. So this is kind of the point and how I want to do with this for today. Okay, so we're at this mansion. That's broken. No. Every single light is going till there's 0 lights. Okay, we got a lot of these around here. I'm missing shots here. Right, I'll have to go around to it. I think I just shot the wire. That's probably what made that happen. Gate is broken. Not allowing any of this crap. I'm gonna snipe it. But all of these lights here are gone. Now I'm gonna look for more. Okay, that one's gone. Yeah, there's gonna be no light source for them plants. Oh, crap. What the heck? Bloody hell. Yeah, can that just go away? I don't even know how that functions. How does it just automatically turn on? Right, okay. Where did I do that from? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna laser cut this. Slightly more fair. Okay. Why does it sound like wood even though it's not wood? That's not wood. Or is it? I thought that was bloody steel the whole time. That's why I cut it. I thought that was actually steel. That, I guess it's steel disguised as wood. Wait, no. Wood disguised as steel. Team Woo. Gordan Woo. Yeah, heck no. I'm gonna light that on fire, mate. Cause some brutal incidents actually. Yeah, burn Gordan Woo. Oh, let's see how the fire is going on in the other side of the entire bloody building. We can obviously see the marks coming in. So that sign is so burning down. Oh wait, did I just light that on fire by accident? There we go, so all that is gone. Oh, open the box, let's see what's in here. That's a telephone, I think. Just a telephone. This thing just does not die. There's no security in this mansion. That's a little bit weird since this is like a billionaire's mansion. definitely should have security. Unless we don't know how it happens. I know there is definitely security in Korea mode. Not Korea, campaign. Obviously the missions are like criminal, like, a bit like GTA but mostly destruction, but yeah. It's mostly about what would the crime of destruction would be? Like sort of like destroying somebody's property or something. That's a criminal offense. That's kind of what this game is sort of based on. But it is actually based on stealing and just dumping stuff as well, which is also a federal or just a crime in general. I'm not American, I am British. But like federal's an American thing. It's not in our country. But I think we would say the criminal offense. I'm not really sure. Rather than federal, it would be criminal offense, I think. I had some quite decent shots there, bloody hell. Shiny jewelry adding light, how weird is that? That's producing light. Go get lights. Frig. Okay, is there any lights around here? There's a garage, so we're gonna see what's in there. I guess that's something to do with security there. But that is... You know, at this point I actually want to burn down this garage. So, let's flame it all. Give it some spirit. Give it some fires. Because I like to burn things down. This is another criminal offense. Arson. This is a form of arson. As well, that's one of the criminal offenses that contains arson, because we're setting stuff on fire. And it's really very, very illegal. It's very dangerous. Because that is somebody's property you're burning down. That's not even Scar. Oh, what? Can that burn down? Yes, it can. That's going to explode. Boom. Hazardous material, I don't know. Hazardous item, explosives. That's just using that for light. Yeah, that ain't functional. Again, this game contains flashing lights, so people with epilepsy, it's best if you don't watch this series because obviously it contains a lot of, you know, lighting, crazy, realistic shooting sort of styles. So yeah, it's really best if y'all don't really, with eye problems or sort of epilepsy in general, just watch the series. Obviously you can see my other series because obviously not all of them contain very, very flashy lights, but it's really best to kind of be cautious when you're checking out my channel a little bit sometimes. Like, obviously I play a variety of games as well, so go. Alright, so we just pretty much destroyed this garage. But I'm gonna throw a bomb. A grenade. Blow the entire place up to the ground. Blow up! Blow up! This is a grenade. A pipe bomb is not meant to look like a grenade because this is the American sort of mod that is kind of affects your tools a little bit. It changes the way your tools appear like. So obviously it's not going to look the exact same as the original sort of game. But this is a bomb. I'm going to set some C4s in there because that's the main tool to just detonate when we are ready to. So we're just gonna set all these C4s. We're just gonna hijack this place. Well, I don't actually hijack things in real life though. Don't. This is all for entertainment purposes, by the way. Just gonna get all this planted. Right, okay, let's get out. Gow! And then we're going to put some C4 on the roof. I think most of the lights are sort of gone, but we need to take out some of the lights like down there. But most of the lights are gone. I'm gonna randomly plant some. It's quite randomly ordered. It's not gonna be a very, very, like non-confusing way. But I'm gonna blow it up in 3, 2, 1. Oh, heck! Okay, it's kind of lagged my game for a second. Because obviously, it's a lot of explosives going on in the same time. So, how do I change my bomb's appearance? So. Pretty sure you could. Do you right click? That's how you detonate. No. Okay, we've got a spray can. That's this is the worst writing I've ever done in my life. That's what you get. The hell? Someone's pushing me around. It's the floor or something. That's what you get. I don't think any of y'all can read that. Because obviously it's kind of dodgy to sort of do stuff like this in a mouse. It's like me trying to write something like manually draw something in my mouse. It's kind of the same thing for Teardown. So we've got that slight like message down. This has a lighting system apparently. So yeah, get rid of that. Boom. Mate, you're gonna die. I'm gonna check what's inside this portion of the building. Most of it should be gone now, because I have destroyed a lot of lights. I'm gonna blow up that door, mate. Boom. Okay, that's gonna set stuff on fire. There we go. So, okay, so no more lights at this particular. Oh, right, okay, there's actually still a few lights somewhere in the garage. But it's mostly just there. Right, it's just here apparently. So now I need to take that light out. So yeah, all the sort of lights around here are done for. I'm going to sort of blow this up because that's been annoying me all day. That should definitely do something. It should have got rid of it in some way. What the heck? Yeah, I can't get that out of existence. Okay, I've got 8 jets. I doubt I can do anything with it though, because I don't even know how to fly maybe. Crap. Yeah, there's no way I'm able to fly that. What the heck? Air starts. It's already bloody flying. How are you supposed to fly that? Cause I don't bloody know. Boom. I still don't even understand how you blow the thing up. How do you even start? Okay. This is air. That's gonna cause huge explosions. So actually I could use that as a weapon. For my advantage. That's a good bomber, because obviously it blows up. This is Minecraft, but in Teardown. Chicken jerky, sugarcane. Oh, perfectly modelled. Oh my god, that's perfect splitting right there. That's satisfying right there. Okay, TNT, biggest material to blow. Oh heck yeah! I'm actually going to get so much TNT. To destroy this part of the building. Heck yeah. Oh. Uh-oh. It's like launching nukes. Like it's like we are launching some nukes into this building. Boom. Oh, okay. Gotta take some more lights out, so this is my sort of goal. This is the bathroom, but y'all can't get in unless you have to take it in a hard way. You're gonna do this the hard way to get into the bathroom to do your business, because you're locked. This is locked, so I've trapped myself in here. So what the hell do I do? No! Well, don't be a baby Jack. I'm going to do my good business. There's actually no way you can actually get in. So what I'm actually gonna do now is set the whole thing on fire. Let's start a fire. Yay, we're starting a fire. Yeah. Second I could not get out. Alright, there's no fire alarm either. What the hell? There's not even a fire alarm system in sandbox mode. Well, it would be quite annoying if a place set in fire and then the fire alarm kept blaring in their ears. Like, fair enough that it isn't like a fire alarm system. So, yeah, fair enough actually. I don't really care. I wouldn't mind. Okay, there's a lot going on below. So So go down this staircase, the stairwell. I'm actually gonna remove this staircase. And then remove boom. Oh heck. Well, mass destruction. Mass destruction. Wait, it has a lift. It has a lift elevator system. What the hell? Oh, pretty off. Down, down, down. I'm gonna make this elevator fall. At this point, I'm actually just gonna put C4. Oh. Bro ain't falling down, mate. Let's shoot this down. Oh crap. Yeah, there isn't a damn way to get anywhere like this. Bye. There it is. Screw it up. What's down there exactly? Oh crap! Oh! Right, okay. That's bad. Right. Okay, we're just gonna now destroy. That's a freaking leaf or no, that's a leaf. So that room's entirely darkness. Is that what I think it is? A light. This is a disco area right there. This is a cinema. Alright. Oh. Well, there was a movie rolling until now. Nothing to see here. As if there was any sound. I'm gonna put a fire shell here. I'm gonna put a fire show. Here you go. Here's something to watch. Here you go. Right, okay. And there's another lift. And there's another lift. Bloody hell, how many lifts are there? I'm saying I need to destroy the system. Put more C4 on it. Oh crap. Oh, damn. That's why you should never ever tear down buildings with explosives. And just don't do it in general unless you have to condemn a building. Not condemn, take down a building unless you need to. Like it's part of your job. Like not like a criminal offense, but obviously like if you need to demolish stuff as a construction worker or whatever. But yeah, just do not be using explosives because you will probably die for it. That's a life lesson right there. How interesting. I don't even think I've seen most of these parts of the mansion before. Like I've never seen some of these parts of the mansion. Like it's bigger than I've literally thought. It's so much bigger than I thought. It's a huge billionaire's mansion. Well, oh. No more lights for you, bro. Bye-bye. Right, okay, let's go. The staircase. Here we go. Where's the... Oh. So this entire building is now wrecked. I'm just gonna take it well. Boom! Hazardous material. Boom! More hazards. Well, okay. Deforestation. I'm gonna use a rocket launcher. But save the trees, everybody. Boom. Destroy the tree. Boom. Boom. How did that deliberately miss? What the hell? Oh. Right, okay. Boom. Green elephant. Okay, is my video even still recording? I'm still gonna try look for some lights. Yes, it's still recording, luckily. It's not stopped. Let's go. Something going on in there. I'm gonna just speed run. Okay, there we go. So, we got the ocean view. I wonder how that just made it out alive. Okay, so there's basically no more lights around this building. Most of the lights are gone, but there's still a few around here. So that is pretty much it, and there's a big one there. Because there's still sort of a lot going on. That's a jacuzzi. Just a nice chilling jacuzzi. So there's something going on up here. Nothing's falling. Or is it? Boom. Alright, so we need some rockets for that job. Cause havoc. As a final resort to remove this map, we are going to do the biggest cheat. Do all this. Do this. Yeah, my game's lagging bad right now. Bloody hell. How much FPS is going on now? I honestly wonder. Because this is also recording while I am doing this. Okay, so guys, I think we're gonna leave it here for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe only if you want to, and I'll see you later. And maybe I think we might do a Transport Fever 2 video. Who knows, but I think we might be doing Transport Fever 2 and then maybe another Nimby Rails video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all later.